How to manage alert notifications on Google Chrome mobile. Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to manage alerts notifications on Google Chrome mobile. First we're going to do is go to Google Chrome and now click these 3 points here on the top corner, and then you will see this one here, settings. Just click on it and now go down and you will find this one here, notifications, this one. Click on it and then go down and you will find this one, alerts, this one. If you want to turn it off, just one click and as you see, alerts has been turned off. And that's how to turn off alerts on Google Chrome mobile, and that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget like and subscribe, and see you in the next video.